Do it. Yeah. Oh, this looks familiar. It's alright, we started off like this. Really? We're good. You alright with switching at 6? Also between the rubber mat? Yeah. They're 2-1. Zero, 3, 2. One, 3, 2. Ball. Looks so sad. Yeah, it's okay. You're gonna be fine. You look so sad walking over there. You're gonna be okay. You're fine. 4, 2?
2's on 2.
2's on 2. She said that. No short, no help. Swollen. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Well, it was definitely going out.
You have a YouTube channel, right?
Coming back.
Yeah. Yeah, but you've been uploading many matches lately? I uploaded a couple from the other day, and then I have a few back when, like 5 or so. Twos? Yep. 1-1. Way too long on that. Don't worry, Alex. Yay! 3, 2, 1. Should have been a reset, my bad. So that mine should have been a reset, my bad. There you go. 3, 2, 2. Feels good. You. Way to get up there. Was my serve in? I think so.
I think it was just okay.
I couldn't be over 80% about it. So. promotional.
222. Oh my God.
Bye back, Chris.
He's like, oh, this Nelson's coming. Oh, buddy.
3-2?
Yeah.
3-2, 1.
Only
3-2-2.
one. One's on one.
4-2-2. It's the only way to get the hand over there.
You gotta give it a little edge.
Yeah. 5-2-2.
Yeah, two. It's 3-1. 2-5. 3-1 on the How'd you do that?
I practiced those where they just dribble over. Stay way over here.
Golly. I didn't want to get it.
You want to hit now?
Yeah, it's 2-3.
Yeah, 2-3. That was your first serve, right?
Yeah, y'all have one to start off.
Now you have 2.
It's 2-3.
5-3.
2-3 on one.
5-3-1.
Yeah, I said that.
5, 3, 2.
Swap.
Oh yeah.
4-2 on one.
One.
Three, 6-2. Gotta be kidding me. Barely did that. Yeah, that's how I felt. jobs on the